It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on trading volume. Pump up the volume, the market's most important technical statistic. Let's begin. In addition to being the most important technical statistic, trading volume is also one of the most common. In fact, periodic trading volume appears at the bottom of almost every chart. However, trading volume is as misunderstood as it is important and common, hence the need for this video. So for starters, let's begin with a definition. Simply put, volume is the number of shares traded for a given period, such as an hour, day, or week. This episode will deal with daily volume, but for day traders, hourly or even minutely trading volume may be important. Since we're dealing with daily volume, the key benchmark to which we compare any given day's trading volume is its average daily volume. Is the stock's volume high or low? Compared to what? We need a benchmark, and typically, the average daily volume of the past 3 months is that benchmark. So what does volume tell us? Very simply, volume signals the strength of a particular price movement. A price movement made in especially high or low volume is considered more significant than one made in average or light volume. Typically, high volume accompanies big price movements, while low volume goes with stocks that are trading within a tight range. There are exceptions, however. Here is a candle chart of a stock with corresponding volume along the bottom. I've selected 200,000, 0.2 million, shares as the threshold we're looking at here, as it seems to be the level of volume at which this stock really moves. I've added green dots to each of the 4 instances in this period in which daily volume exceeded 200,000 shares. Let's look at each point individually. The first high volume instance on this chart was a confirmation or follow-through. The stock had fallen 6.7% the previous 3 days in lighter volume, and then followed through by heading lower still in huge volume the next day. This predicted the stock's new trend, which continued lower in very light volume for several weeks. The next point on the chart is a bit of a false signal, or at least it appears to be at first. As you can see, volume had been picking up as the stock picked up steam going in the wrong direction, down. This was in the wake of the financial crisis, by the way. Ultimately, it hit a new low in the highest volume in months. But then it bounced back, first in weaker volume, and then it soared in huge volume, topping the volume of the day that the stock crashed. A reversal like this in higher volume is a very bullish signal, and as you can see, the stock went higher from this point. Finally, after pulling back to near its lows from a few months before, the stock surged in higher volume, including several days of near 200,000 share volume leading up to the big move. This predicted the stock's further price appreciation. A few more points for your consideration. As stated earlier, these examples looked at daily volume. Day traders who get in and out of the same stock on the same day would need to consult hourly or even minutely volume charts. Secondly, there are always exceptions to any rules. The examples in this episode included one apparent false signal, though it must be reiterated that this occurred during the very strange and tumultuous times directly after the financial crisis began to unfold. But there are exceptions, which is why it's always wise to use volume, just like any other statistic, in conjunction with other indicators. We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter. Thank you and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Bacchus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit TradingTips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting TradingTips.com.